Hello guys, and welcome back to another session of learning Unity with me. So, where we last left off, let's look at the lecture, because, yeah, I kind of forgot because it's been a while. So we did finish changing the animation state, or no, we did this one, where we made it so that only one defender can appear at an individual square possible. Oh yeah, we were creating a different defender. Alright, so this is the challenge. Oh yeah, the challenge. We're challenged to do this. So we're going to create a gnome defender, but this one, it could be different. Oh yeah, I think... Wait a minute. Did I already include... No, I haven't. I think what I wanted to do was include Sora from Kingdom Hearts. And yeah, I was looking through the sprite sheet. Could this be it? Right, it's this one. Yeah, I'm gonna download this one actually. Yep. We're gonna show in folder, and then we're going to edit with paint. What happened to the edits? Oh, here it is. Wait, how do I have right click? No, okay, cool. So we have many different animations, which is perfect. What Sora is gonna do is, you know, kind of like the gnome where he throws the axe. Sora is gonna throw his Keyblade towards the enemy. You know, I think it'd be cool to have... Is there like a Heartless that we can use, I wonder? Heartless Death. Is it like this one? I might add this as an enemy. Nope, I can't do that. How about this one? We have the walking, maybe. And then the dying. Yeah, maybe we can make it as an enemy if we have to make a new enemy. But yeah, that'll be pretty cool. Maybe we could use this one and then this one, these two. I guess that'd be for tuning, so let's just put that in the thing. Let's see, enemy ideas. So we have Shadow Heartless from Kingdom Hearts. So we'll have the links for both of them. And yeah, credits to the people who made this or who extracted it from the game. I think this was extracted, this one was made, which is pretty cool. He kind of looks like the character from Sonic. I think his name was Chaos from Sonic. Let me see. Alright, maybe not. Michael Chaos, what the heck. Alright, so, well, for now, our main focus is the defender, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna have to create different ones. So we need an idol. So here, he's walking. So let's actually create a new one. And just copy and paste it, I guess. Alright, so he's walking. We need an idol. Where's his idol? This is Sonic Rave. This is Slight Raid. Yeah, or this is Slight Raid. So let's just get the Slight Raid then. And this is the projectile right here. Ooh, my bad. That's not supposed to happen. Dang it. Let's actually get the projectile first. we forgot to. That's I think I need to get rid of this, so let's just do that real quick. Or just get a eraser. There you go. And then save it as a Keyblade. Projectile. Alright. So now we need the idle, and then we also need the preparing to attack, which is right here. And then just erase this. Whoa, that was close. Save that. Sora init attack. We'll just edit it. Oh wait, what? That's not what I meant to do. Yeah, don't say it's cool. Alright, we have to erase the top part. Alright, cool, and then erase the bar. I accidentally erased his foot. Cool. And then we're just gonna realign it because it's kind of off. There you go. Sora attack fin, or fin. Wait, is it in it? Is it fin? So this is after the Keyblade has been. Oh wait, do we need that really? Maybe. I'll think if we need this or not. Where's his idle stance? Oh, here it is. Here's the idle. I was like, where is it? Alright. Don't save. Alright. Wait a minute. I think what I need to do now is remove the white background. So let's go ahead and do that. Remove BG. And then we're just gonna projects. Assets, Sprite. So let's just, oops, drag. We're just gonna drag them one at a time. So I think that's it. Yeah, alright, so we're gonna download them. Cool, and then we're gonna take those and then we're going to sprites. We're going to delete the Keyblade projectile. Or we can just copy and paste, I guess, since we can just override. Or not. So Keyblade, Sora. And then we have to delete their meta just in case. And then paste. Oh, dang it. I'm just gonna change your names real quick. Dang it, kinda. Alright, alright, cool. So we were able to do that. So let's remove that. So now we have our sprites. They're kind of poorly pixelated, but we'll work with what we have. Alright, so this is a good test because I kind of forgot how to do things. For the most part. So we need to create an empty. We'll call this Sora, right? And then we also have to create another empty. We'll call this body. And then we probably need to create the hand, where we're going to reference the position of the Keyblade. First of all, so we're going to add the sprite renderer here. And we're just going to drag one. Actually, wait, before we do that, we need to first, cut this into pieces, right? So let's go to idle. We're going to, I think that should be fun. But what we're going to do is go to Sprite Editor, and then we're going to, since we might as well take the calculator out to get the correct value. So we have 270 by 50. So we gotta do 50 is fine. So 270, divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 270 divided by 6, you get 45. Wait, what? How do we slice? Oh wait, multiple. Yeah. Then we can slice. I forgot. Okay. So we're not gonna do. We're gonna do grid by cell size. So we're gonna do X. We're gonna do 45 by 50. Yeah. And then go slice it. Yeah, it's perfect actually. All right, cool. And then we're gonna hit apply. So then, for the time being, we're just gonna drag and drop this one here. Make it 5. We're gonna increase the pixel size by double. Let me just see. Looks kind of funny. Seeing Sora in a grassy field a little bit. But we can just flip the sprites. I think maybe over here. There you go. So now we flipped it. Yeah, alright. So We have to create an animation too, so let's go ahead and do that. So here to here, we're going to create an animation. Where to go? What? Wait. Create. That was weird. Do it capitalize. Sora. Then move that to animations. Cool. So then we're gonna go here. Multiple sprite editor, apply. Oh yeah, we're supposed to apply that to multiple first. And we're basically gonna do the same. Let's go and get a calculator here. 397 divided by 4, 5, 6, 7. 56. I don't think that's the right way, because yeah, definitely not, because they're not equal in value, so we're actually going to do it differently. We're going to do automatic for this one. We'll just see how it works, because it is inconsistent, unfortunately, but you know, it should be fine since he is just staying still essentially. So, or the lizard, he's jumping and then walking. Sora, on the other hand, is, I think, should just be staying still, no walking necessary, so I think it should be fine. Create an animation. I'm gonna call this fin attack Sora. And yeah, let's actually, before we do that, let's do 50. Hit apply. Hit apply. Put multiple, apply, sprite. So again, we have to do automatic because different shapes, unfortunately. But I think it should be fine. Oop, that's not what I wanted. So let's go do that. And yeah, I guess so. Do this. Create animation. Init attack Sora. And then finally, the Keyblade projectile. So we're gonna do multiple and apply. We're gonna have to do probably 50 again, just to be safe. Sprite editor. No, we had to do automatic again. Which is fine. Alright, so hit apply. That's not what I want. Alright. Animation. You see how that looks. Wait, how come there's 2 here? Slice. I did not see this. Ah, dang it. Oh, dang it, I did not pay attention. Reverting will just make it go back to the previous. Maybe it's supposed to do this. And then try again. Hit apply. Dang it, no. I think you only need to, if it's only, we only do the grid if it's consistent. Here on the other hand, it's not, so we had to do automatic. Delete existing, safe, smart. How do I... Alright, so I mean this is... Actually no, not this one. Is there like a manual way of doing this? Custom outline. Right. Let me look online. What am I looking for? I'm trying to find a way to trim the sprite sheet in Unity. If not, then yeah, we gotta find a different way. I guess for now this is the best thing I can do. Alright, that's fine. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Let's accept it for now. But yeah. So this is... didn't create one. What? How does it do that? Projectile Keyblade. Alright, cool. So there's a defender, 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 defender. We're gonna create a controller. We're gonna create a controller for Sora. So the body will only have the sprite renderer, but for the actual one, we're gonna have the defender scripts and stuff. So just for an example, we're gonna have, since you know it's kind of been a while, we're gonna have the Pikachu object here. This is actually canon since Sora finally joined Smash, so Sora and Pikachu can team up. But Pikachu looks way bigger. I wonder if I can kinda... I'm gonna edit that because yeah, it's way too big. Let's go to sprites, Pikachu idle. Yeah, let's make it all 125. And then that's fine, I guess. So I don't want to look at the scripts yet because I do want to think about it for myself. So yeah, so the body has the sprite render, but for the Sora parent object, we're gonna have the animator, and then we're gonna have the scripts. So it is the defender. So let's go ahead and drag defender in here, and it does shoots its Keyblade. Thunder Cheeks. I gotta rename that. And it will eventually have health, but I guess Pikachu doesn't have that. Star display, no. Alright, I think that should be good. Let me see. Defender, shooter. Yeah, no health yet. We also need the box collider, which makes sense. But why is it all the way over there? Let me reset the transform. What? Let me go to Sora for a bit. What is happening here? There you go. Alright, cool. So there's our body. I think it should be fine, right? Cool. Alright, so next, so we have all the scripts. Eventually it should have a health, but I guess for now I'm not going to include it. So this is all of what we need. Particle prefab. Wait, particle prefab. Wait, does Pikachu have that? No, he doesn't, so it's not necessary. Alright, cool. And then we're going to just drag and drop Sora in there. And of course, in our animators, we're gonna go to defenders, animations. Oh, nope. Going to add this to the animated controller, and we're gonna launch it and create an animation clip. I forget why. Can we just see if we can do it without it? I wonder. Oh right, no, we can't do that. Dang it. So we have to do it the other way, because if we look at here, right, when we play the animation, there's 6 frames, but he's not doing anything because the sprite is missing. Alright, cool, it's fine. So we're gonna delete, go here, we're going to, wait, no, I think there's an easier way of doing that. We have to click on body, go animation here. Dang, it's been a while. Oh wait. It says the sprite's missing. There we go. No, it's way too fast. What's that with the extra pause? Maybe the exit time. There's no transition, so there's no exit time. Never mind. Let me see Pikachu's. Oh, you're supposed to click on the body. do I change this? There's like these two empty frames that I can't even use. But I mean, that looks good. So then we have idle, and then it attacks Sora. So we're gonna make transition here. Add the sprite, go here. Holy moly. It's like right here when we can call right here, throw the Keyblade. And I think that the issue is that because Sora's clothes was white, it's kind of hard to remove it. Unfortunately, because now it removed his colors as well, which kind of looks bad. Dang it. I really need to download that software that does it for me, that cuts out the sprites for it. It's gonna be pretty useful, so I might check that out later. Yeah, alright. So actually let me go ahead and look at that. Scratch, that's the software. I wonder if it's free. Wait, no, Scratch is something else. Sprite Extractor. Yeah, we're gonna have to look at this later, maybe. Follow this to extract sprites better. Because the way I'm doing it, I mean, it works if it's not white, but if it isn't, like Sora has a white shirt, and I'm pretty sure the Keyblade is kind of whitish, from what I remember. Yeah, it's kind of white too. So yeah, but for now we're just gonna put it as a placeholder, I guess, since I don't want to really deal with it right now. Here it looks kind of funky. Maybe Sora takes two places and goes back. I think he's throwing so many Keyblades. But yeah, I guess so. And then we got Fin Attack, which wait, what? How do we add animation to it? Oh, my bad. We're supposed to do it here. And yeah. wait. I think I need to create a new projectile. Call it Keyblade, not Keybald, Keyblade. Wait. Oh. Because I think in our prefabs we have projectiles, and then here we just have the scripts, the rigid body, and the collider. We're just gonna have that here too, I guess, just to be safe. Just so we can still have something to compare to. So first of all, we need the sprite renderer. And then we're just gonna pass it one of the Keyblade. Say this one. Five, just to be safe. Reset, transform. So he's holding it, but then he throws it, and he's got his fin like that. Technically, I wouldn't need the rest of this because I could probably just add rotation to this, right? Because that could be also an animation. So, for example, we need the animator too, and then we need the scripts. So it is a projectile script, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it, right? Just need a projectile script, and yeah. So then we just need a rigid body 2D, because I remember, just change this to kinematic. I remember during our laser defender game, there's an issue if you don't have rigid body on a moving object, and there's something can happen with the collision detection because it's not being updated properly if it doesn't have a rigid body. So we need to have a rigid body because we're going to have a collider. I meant. I think polygon collider would be good here. Oh god, that's pretty bad. So let's go ahead and edit that so that at least it comes close to it at least. Guess that's good enough. Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. So yeah, we're good with the collider. So then we gotta add the animations for it. Thunderbolt. So we're gonna create. Why doesn't it create? I always have to do it twice. Keyblade. And then yeah, I wonder if it would be better to just rotate it as opposed to using, so basically using bone based instead of using the sprite sheet. So how would we go ahead and do that? Create a new clip, I guess. So we're gonna say Keyblade. Call it Keybald. Alright, so we're gonna add the body. Wait, body. What? No. There it is. My bad. I think I screwed up. Keyblade. Yes, replace it. So we're gonna add the sprite, of course. And for this part, we're gonna, I forgot what he did. I want to know why it's not changing. Scale. Alright, that does nothing. I forget what he did. Oh, finally moves. Rotation in the x-axis. Say 360. Oh, we're supposed to hit record. Let me, so yeah, if we're gonna change something, we have to hit record. Before you, if you're trying to do anything before the record, it seems like you're just trying to set it up before you start recording, which is like changing the values and stuff. So here we're gonna do 360. And then let's hit play. What? Negative 180. Oh my god. Alright, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna use this. Instead, we're actually gonna use this. Oh god, it doesn't update. I imagine like pretty cool. I like it. But I think we might need to change this to something more uniform. So capsule maybe. Oh. Well, how about, oh, that's 3D. My bad, it's supposed to be 2D. I guess, but we can just lower the range a little bit. Maybe. Or I meant the height. We can lower down the height, possibly. No, you probably have to do that. Alright. I mean, it's fine, I think. We're gonna keep it like that. prefabs, but I guess if there is a way, I'm gonna see if I can tune it. Look into how to update collision collider during animation, because I'm pretty sure the axe that they're having is also a circle. I guess it really has to deal with polygon. I don't know. Or making like, or wait, maybe what we can have is make it only if it hits the upper tilt. Anything that touches the upper tilt, oh no, but needs to be updating. Alright. Because if I just do that, you know, if we do want to update the values as well. You know, let's just go look. Updating collider Unity. How to update mesh collider. If you're animating the mesh script. Oh, I had a feeling we were gonna do something like that. So basically, God. Alright. We gotta. Alright, so basically, what we have to do, first let's choose one that's actually good for us. 2D. Edge collider? No. No. Box collider, circle collider, polygon collider would be good. So basically, if we're gonna do it like very detailed and stuff, we would have to do it like this. So we edit one, and during the animation, alright, so yeah, that'd be the first part, and then we're gonna hit record, and then we go to the second one. So I think that's fine still. Then we gotta change it to this, and I'm just gonna do it here, but I'm not gonna do it anymore, and I'll probably just wait till the end to kind of like fine tune it. Dang. This is terrible. There is probably a plugin that can help with this, I figure, because it's probably a faster way of doing this somehow. I'll probably take a look into it more after I'm done with this Udemy course. But the lecture actually included more videos, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I don't think I'm gonna do it since I need like actual experience, so I'm just gonna work on my own stuff. Wait. Uh-oh. I forgot to add this. Density. What's that? What's density? No. Enabled offset. Just trying to figure out how I can change it. Enable trigger offset. You know what? Nah. For the time being, I'll probably do it a little later, or when I'm fine-tuning stuff, because yeah, I just want to get this done. I'm just gonna make it a circle. We're just gonna reduce the circle size. Hopefully that'll kind of balance it, because that's a huge area. So, but anyways, Sora's just gonna attack anyone who's just in the same lane. It's not like it's attacking two boxes at the same time, because then that would be OP. So yeah, like yeah, I guess that's fine. Yeah, we're gonna keep it like that. Alright, cool. So we're just gonna go to Prefab, go to projectiles, Keyblade. Holy. Yeah, I guess faster the better. Sora isn't 24 frames though. That's way too fast. Slow it down. I think that's fine. We might need to tune his what is it? We might need to tune his other animations, because yeah, there's a huge difference between. Remember, he mentioned that, you know, doing it automatically versus doing it by grid can lead to different results, or undesired results. And from what I've seen, I mean, like, let's say you go to here, look how he's like getting outside the box, so that doesn't look good. Let's say we have a lizard here, it just doesn't feel natural. So maybe we should decrease the size of Sora, maybe. So he's gonna look like he's gonna look pretty small. How about 75? Well, this is fin attacks. I shouldn't really do it there. I should do it here. Yeah, I guess that's a little bit better. We gotta do that for the Keyblade as well. And then idle, we're going to do that. Let me look at the maximum just to be safe. wait, let me see that. I didn't look at Sora and the Keyblade. Yeah, it looks like this is gonna take more video sessions because my hour is up. So I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.